Are you tired of struggling with your weight? Do you dream of a healthier, happier you? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to embark on a journey to weight loss success together. Get ready for a whole new chapter in your life. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel, where we are passionate about helping you achieve your weight loss goals. We know that losing weight can be a daunting and challenging task, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to share with you some incredible tips and inspiration to help you on your weight loss journey. Get ready to transform your life and become the best version of yourself. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Are you ready? Fuel up with a balanced diet. Load up on fruits and veggies for those vital vitamins. Enjoy lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu to support those muscles. Ditch sugary drinks for the goodness of water or herbal tea. Plan your meals ahead for better control over your food choices. Get moving for weight loss. Try activities you love, be it jogging, dancing, or hiking. Keep your workouts diverse to keep things interesting. If you're new, start slow with brisk walks or swimming. Progress is the key, not perfection. Find a workout buddy to make exercising more fun and motivational. Pay attention to what you eat. Savor each bite. Enjoy the flavors. And listen to when your body says it's full. Kick mindless snacking to the curb and focus on controlling portions. Combat boredom cravings with healthier options like crunchy carrot sticks or air-popped popcorn. Create a designated eating space to avoid distractions and fully enjoy your meals. Don't forget to drink up. It's a game changer for weight loss. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. It refreshes you, revs up your metabolism, and helps you resist unnecessary cravings. Infuse your water with slices of fruits or herbs for added flavor. Weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. Set goals that fit your life and celebrate the little wins, like dropping a pound or slipping into those jeans. Keep your eyes on the big picture for long-term success. Break your goals into smaller, achievable milestones for a steady sense of accomplishment. Build a squad, whether it's workout buddies, friends, or family. Share your wins and challenges. If you can't find a workout partner, virtual communities and online forums offer the same kind of support. Join a fitness class or group to discover new exercises and stay motivated. Have a plan for when temptations strike. When the cookie jar calls, distract yourself with a good book or a brain-engaging activity. Remember, it's okay to treat yourself occasionally. Just keep it in check. Practice mindful breathing to curb stress-induced cravings. Cherish your body at every stage. Your value isn't tied to a number on the scale. Embrace your uniqueness, practice self-care, and carry yourself with confidence, because it truly looks great on everyone. Incorporate positive affirmations into your daily routine to boost self-love. Every win, big or small, deserves a celebration, be it losing 10 pounds or mastering a yoga pose. Treat yourself to something special, like a spa day, a new outfit, or simply a well-deserved pat on the back. Create a visual chart of your achievements to stay motivated. There you have it, my amazing viewers. Your journey to weight loss success starts here now. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time, stay motivated, and never give up on yourself. We believe in you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments what weight loss topics you'd like us to cover next. Take care, and until next time, have a healthy, happy journey.